What's up, YouTube? It's Anthony. Yeah, I like car stereo. It's been a long time since I've been doing installs, but I'm on my second-ish, third-ish. Well, I did my TJ 3 times until I got it to sound the way I want it. So I'm on my F-150 build, so 4 systems-ish. This one should be done right the first time, one time, with all the right components. So I received some more products today. The Rockville 50 farad high powered digital hybrid capacitor. I got two of these. I got one for my TJ that has a pretty knocking system in it, but nowhere near what I'm building for my truck. And then I got another 50 farad over there. I'm probably going to go with the limitless battery in that and a 50 farad since I have it. What I received today was the Rockville high-powered amplifier wiring kit. Just open this baby up, and this is what you get inside. So you got your terminal ends, you got your O gauge, you got your RCAs, some speaker wire, remote wire. You got your fuse block assembly. I have 300 amp regular, so I won't be using this. Some wire loom. So that's what you can expect from your Rockville 0 gauge high powered amplifier install. So I ordered some other O gauge wire and ground and cables and stuff. So I don't know what I'm going to specifically use, but I was pretty impressed with the 50 farad. I've seen some videos done with these guys. It seems like it helps a lot, and for the price, it's not too bad. I also have this too. I think I'm going to add that to my son's Jeep, even though I'm not really suffering too bad with his. He's got a nice Alpine 5-channel in there with 212s in a ported box. Yeah, this is pretty kick. He's got kickers in that. He's got kicker comps in that, and then I have kicker. I think they're Qs. Kicker Qs in a kicker box with a kicker amp that matches it. And man, when you crank the bass up in that thing, that old TJ alternator just can't keep up on a stock battery. So I'm going to go with a 50 farad in there and upgrade the battery. The F-150 is getting an upgraded alternator. I'm going to go to limitless battery and the Rockville hybrid capacitor too. So lots of goodies. Stay tuned. I'm just getting healed up 100% here. Next week we'll start banging out the install.